it's special every year, you know, to be at Vegas, to see all the new products that are debuted there, to see all the famous builders that I always looked up to. I'm Kyle Tucker. I was fortunate enough to win Battle of the Builders in the inaugural year, 2014, with the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. We actually got the car in our shop, and we ended up having to throw most of that car away, and we started with another car from scratch.
Next on our list, Kyle Tucker and his incredible Camaro.
Kyle.
Hey, David.
How's it going?
Good to see you.
So I came with news.
Yeah?
You're in the top 10.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Just kept thinking, as long as we make the top 40, we're good, right? We're really happy with that. And to be able to make the top 3, we're really good with that.
Kyle Tucker and his 1969 Camaro.
So Kyle, you're a top 3 finalist.
This is a big deal, and so happy to be a part of all the cars at SEMA, the top 10, and then the final 3. It's really a big deal.
And then to end up winning it, it was just beyond our wildest dreams. And
so when we threw this contest out, did you have any idea you'd be standing here?
Absolutely not. You know,
wild,
really cool to be a part of this, especially the inaugural event, and it's really neat.
The winner of the 2014 SEMA Battle of the Builders, Kyle Tucker and his 1969 Camaro. Let's hear it for Kyle. Woo!
What a great moment. It gives me chill bumps just reliving that moment. All the builders knew it was a big deal, but we really didn't know how big it was, I guess, until you get to the final 3. And then to be able to win it, you know how big it is and what they've built it into now, many years later. But again, to be able to win it at SEMA amongst your peers and people you look up to in the industry, it was just an unforgettable night. Yeah, you know, in 2014, being that the Battle of the Builders was the first year for that award, any builder in the industry, you know, wants any recognition you can get at SEMA. It's our Super Bowl of our industry, right? To be able to go to SEMA, to have the who's who there, from car builders to manufacturers and the performance automotive aftermarket. So it's really an honor to win that, because you know that you're being judged by your peers that you look up to, your heroes in the industry, sometimes judging your build for that award. So to be able to win at SEMA and in a situation like that, it's something to be proud of for any shop.